How to fix the incorrect password error on Instagram. If you are trying to log into your Instagram account and it shows as incorrect password error, I am going to show you how to solve this issue in today's video. Now, the first thing you need to do is open the Instagram app. Once the app is open, go to your profile page by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right side corner. After your profile page opens, click on the drop down arrow next to your profile name. You can then select a specific Instagram account you are trying to log into, or you can click on add Instagram account and then select log into existing account. Once your account is selected, or if you choose use another profile, you will be taken to the password page. There first enter your email or username and then enter your account password for verification. After typing your password, click on the login option and wait a few moments for the login process to complete. Now, if you still get that incorrect password error, there is no need to worry. Our next step is to click on the forgotten password button. After that, you will receive a verification code by WhatsApp on your registered phone number. If your WhatsApp is logged into on the same phone, the verification will happen automatically and the PIN code will be filled in on its own. However, if your WhatsApp is on another phone, simply check the code from there, copy it and then paste or type the PIN code here. Once done, your Instagram account will log into automatically. That's all for today's video. In today's video was helpful to you, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Thank you.